Alright, what's up guys? Real time back. And yeah, before I start this video, I just wanna say there's a really cool glitch going around. If you hit that like button, it turns into the golden like button, and hit that subscribe button, and wings will like go around the subscribe button and they'll start like flying in circles and stuff. It's a really cool glitch. Go try it out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Alright. But yeah, this will be the DNS error fix, because most of y'all said it didn't work or it worked sometimes, so I'm gonna just redo it. Just go back to your network, go to internet connection settings, custom wireless, enter manually. I got my stuff typed in, so I'm not going to type it in again. IP address settings. If you want better internet connection, go to manual, but I go to automatic. Do not set. Nah, alright. Choose manual for this. And I will leave the codes in the description down below. Alright, and the DNS code is 208 for the primary is 208.67.222.222, and the secondary is 208.67.220.220. And again, I will leave those in the description down below. So you just go MTU, automatic, or manual, whichever one you do. But I just do all this. Hit enter. I don't test my connection. I just go straight in that junk. You feel me? See if it works. You feel me? And this is proof that it lets me back on, and it does work. So for all y'all people out there who saying it don't work, it's like a duck dick. So I'm just kidding. All right, so yeah, it does work, by the way. And yeah, like, comment, and subscribe on the video if it worked for y'all or not. And peace.